Hello ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to create your final still life drawing using oil pastels. Materials that you'll need today. You'll need several different pieces of colored paper. It's up to you which colors you choose. You're going to need oil pastels. You can sort and find from here. And you're going to need a pencil and maybe some of your previous drawings that you've done in the past. Start with your contour line drawings. Each one of these contour line drawings are done on a different colored piece of paper. Again, don't do value and shading on these drawings. Next, you need to sort your oil pastels corresponding to your colored paper. Again, I've done a lot of cool colors for purple, a lot of warm colors for red, and some more neutral colors for pink. So choose the colors that make sense for 5s, 4s, 3s, 2s, and 1s for your shading. Next, I'm going to be using my light source consistently on the left side of my drawings. So I'm using my darkest area on my color set of oil pastels, which is a purple, on this lighter purple color paper. So I'm blending within each side of my square with different colors. So I have a dark area on the left, and now I'm having a slightly lighter color, which is technically a blue, on this other side. So I'm blending from purple to blue here. And you'll notice that I'm overlapping my blues on top of the purples, and then I'm going to grab a purple, again just there, I grab my purple, and I'm putting that on top of the blue. So I'm blending back and forth, so it's very subtle and very gradual change. Next, I'm going from my blue to a lighter blue here. But I'm also going to be doing different pressures here. So I'm doing a little bit darker or heavier pressure on the left and gradually getting to the right with a little bit less pressure. Kind of with the same method that I did with my pencil from before. But I'm going to be switching to my lighter blue here. That's going to blend on top of my darker blue. So I have that range. So I'm going from dark pressure on the right to the left with my light blue. I'm going to switch back to my dark blue and go from dark pressure on the left to lighter pressure on to the right and overlap those back and forth. Once I filled in those different areas, my final is going to be going from like a 1 to a 2 here. I have this kind of lighter teal color, which actually looks really pretty. And then I'm putting that medium to light blue on top of that and blending gradually across here. Just going back with the teal on top of the light and the light blue on top of the teal, back and forth throughout here. So you can see that each side of my square has several different colors. Next, I'm grabbing a paper towel and I'm smearing and smudging. Notice when I'm smearing and smudging that I'm just focusing on just each side. So I did that side, then I rotated my paper towel to a new clean edge, and I'm focusing on that area there. And I focused on that area there. Now I'm working on the next side, on a cleaner side of my paper towel, and smearing there. When you're smearing, it's okay if you go off the edge of the line a little bit because you're cutting those out anyway.